My name's Jude Pullen and I'm a creative technologist. I've been working with all sorts of different companies on helping them prototype ideas, whether it's companies like Dyson, Lego, or even startups like Sugru. I love being in this space where you have an idea, but the most important thing is to try and realize this in real life. And building prototypes allows you to do that. It allows you to have something physical that you can give to someone else and learn what works and what doesn't, and then iterate and continue to improve upon this. And this is why I'm so passionate to share with you some of these tips in the masterclass, is because this has been built up over almost 2 decades of essentially putting myself in a position where I have to get ideas out of my head, ideas out of other people's heads, and get it into our hands so that we can interact with it and learn from it. These are some of the experience that I've woven into this masterclass, and I hope it gives you a flavor of the importance of these skills. These are things that are very cheap and easy to learn, but can take a lifetime to master. I still feel I'm a perpetual student myself, and I really love putting myself in places where I'm challenged and I have to relearn everything and start from scratch. For me, this is one of the most exciting things about being in the design profession, is that ability to explore and go on new adventures. And yet really, it's the same process that we're using time and time again, of having that lateral thinking in the process to see opportunities that you could take to another level.